Gunther Werks is excited to announce their enthusiastic participation in this year's highly anticipated event, the Quail, a motorsports gathering. As they embark on their 6th consecutive year of attendance, they are eagerly anticipating the opportunity to reconnect with their valued patrons and extend a warm welcome to new enthusiasts. Engaging with the dedicated community of automotive aficionados that assembles at this event is a true privilege. This year, they are unveiling their Touring Turbo Edition Coupe restoration, showcasing the innovative turbo Touring Ducktail rear wing. This edition imparts a refined and graceful new aesthetic to the turbo. Meticulously engineered to address the cooling demands of the 750-plus horsepower air-cooled flat-6 engine, its aerodynamic design ensures optimal airflow to the engine bay. This streamlined airflow is directed straight to the flat fan, thereby maximizing engine cooling. The integration of a carbon shroud not only enhances airflow but also generates a dynamic ram air effect, further boosting performance. The Touring Turbo's elegance is further heightened by the ducktail design. The Touring Edition Ducktail is offered as an optional enhancement to the standard turbo wing and is accompanied by its own dedicated carry case. Beneath its captivating exterior, the turbo boasts an awe-inspiring 750-plus horsepower, thanks to its twin-charge cooled flat-fan air-cooled flat-6 engine. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.